So today I'm going to teach something which is very easy, but just because it is very useful in our day-to-day situation, that's why I have taken this for today's discussion. But before I start this, I'll just ask you one question, that is THERE and THEIR. Do you know the difference?
Yes, there means यहाँ हिंदी में,
वहाँ,
और
not
वहाँ, sorry, वहाँ, here means यहाँ, there means वहाँ, and there
I will correct you. It is here, not here. Here. It is
okay,
here.
here, okay, here, okay. Then there is a plural form of they.
See, THEIR there means unka in Hindi, and it is possessive adjective, like their family, their house, THEIR. But THERE, as you said, wahan. Okay. But sometimes this THERE has no meaning.
Okay.
There is no meaning. It's like it is called dummy subject. It is there. It is there, but it has no meaning.
आप इसको हिंदी में बताएंगे डमी सब्जेक्ट का
मतलब कि ये झूठ मूठ का है, ये है लेकिन ये नहीं है।
अच्छा,
इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन अभी पूछोगे कि तब क्यों है, जब when there is no meaning तो क्यों है ये इसलिए है क्योंकि in some sentences it's very difficult to form some sentence. तो उसको बनाने के लिए लाइक आपने पढ़ा है क्रीपर्स जैसा कुछ, जिन्हें सहारे की जरूरत होती है, तो कुछ इस तरह का है।
कुछ सेंटेंस क्रीपर होते हैं,
हाँ,
तो उनको सहारे की जरूरत पड़ती है।
हाँ, तो उनको इस देर की जरूरत पड़ती है। दूसरे भी होते हैं डमी सब्जेक्ट, लेकिन अभी मैं देर की बात कर रही हूँ, THERE। तो इफ आई से एक मंदिर था या एक मंदिर है, तो अगर हम ऐसा बनाते हैं अ टेम्पल इज, it sounds incomplete. It sounds incomplete, right?
Yes, yes.
तो इसको हम ऐसे बनाते हैं, there is a temple. I know you already know this, you already use, but then I am telling you.
But I don't, but I was not aware of this dummy subject.
Your voice is coming very loud. Can you make it a little?
Okay.
Okay, now it is okay. So what I was saying that there is a temple. Now this sounds good. So just because of this we are using this there. लेकिन अगर हम यहाँ ऐसा बोलते हैं कि वहाँ एक मंदिर है, so there is a temple, there has no meaning. एक मंदिर है, but there is a temple there. Again this there will come. Do you understand?
There is a temple.
There is a temple there.
There is a temple there.
क्योंकि वो दूसरा वाला जो है वो वहाँ बता रहा है, वहाँ की मीनिंग। पहला वाले का तो कोई मीनिंग ही नहीं है, वो तो सेंटेंस बनाने को है ना। ठीक है, तो लाइक there are many problems, there is milk in the fridge. In all these sentences there has no meaning. ठीक है, so now we'll come to the main structure which I was supposed to teach, but मुझे लगा कि ये थोड़ा सा बताना जरूरी था। ठीक है, तो the structure will go like this. There is nothing wrong in teaching.
There is nothing wrong in teaching. Okay, so मतलब पढ़ाने में कुछ भी बुरा नहीं है।
So there is nothing wrong in and then ing. Okay, so there is nothing wrong in doing this work. There is nothing wrong in staying alone. You know.
Okay.
In all these sentences, can you notice in and then coming, going, sleeping, like that? There is nothing wrong in sleeping late at night.
Yeah, it's wrong actually. But yes, for sentences,
I'm just making sentences. There is nothing wrong in making such sentences. Okay. So I think it's very easy. You can make, the more you make, the more it will be clear for you. It will go in your mouth. You can speak. So I think you should start.
So there is nothing wrong in making fun of your teacher.
Yeah, correct. Next.
There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong in saying sorry.
Yes.
There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong in accepting your fault.
Very good.
There is nothing wrong. Nothing wrong in going for walk. Okay, so there is nothing wrong in
living life on your own term.
Living life in your term. Okay, good.
On your own term, not in.
On your own term. Okay. So
you can make in past also. There was nothing wrong in doing like that. There was nothing wrong in behaving that way.
Okay, but I think there we cannot use with future.
Yeah.
Or we can use it.
Future also.
Like how?
You try, no? There will be nothing wrong.
There will be nothing wrong
in making more videos on such structures.
In making more videos, of course. There is nothing wrong.
Yeah, you can make in all tenses, present, past, and future.
Okay, so I think there is like we can use it, and we use it very quite often. We use it.
Yes.
And I think people are. I think we most of students like me are not aware of this. There is a acting as a dummy subject, but yes, it's very informative. So
but
I will
then
definitely
it will not work until you make more sentences, and it's not about only writing sentences.
I was.
There is nothing wrong in writing sentences, but I think that you should be speaking more. You should be practicing more.
Okay. It was a very short video, very descriptive, and I think for our viewers, we will come back with a new video, short videos for everyone. And please watch us and like our channel, subscribe our channel, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving your valuable time to a student like me.
Thank you for listening to me, so that others can also listen. Okay.
Okay.
See you.